heading to Biking Spirit, which where I left my helmet and my jacket for service / washing and stuff. So I've been taking care of my helmet and jacket at home, but you know, every once in a while you need the professionals to do it, and my helmet definitely needed work. Good blokes, that's where I got my helmet from, and the jacket not from them but from the Triumph showroom beside that. So I really like the Triumph jacket. It had all the protection I needed, and more than anything else, it was stealth black, just the way I like it. So we're headed there. We should be there in about 15-20 minutes. Hey guys, we rented Biking Spirit.
Yo, Leon, what's up?
How are you, man?
Good.
How's life?
Good.
Okay, so I have come back to Biking Spirit to pick up, which definitely does not look like my helmet because it's unbelievably clean. Wow, super. And my jacket as well, which we'll get to. But Suhas, tell me something about...
So basically, yeah, when you got your helmet, it was damn dusty. Yeah, and stinky as well. That's fine. So you take out, basically I took out all the liners, the visor mechanisms, sprayed in a little bit of water through this guy so I can get all the gunk out.
Okay.
And yes, gave everything a wash. Gave
Wow.
a neat little coat of polish.
Right. And you take around 4 to 5 days
Yeah,
for...
typically 4 to 5 days.
Awesome, awesome. And what else? So you service the entire range, your jackets, your
Yeah,
pants.
every riding gear.
Okay, all right. And all of them take an average of 4 to 5
4
days.
to 5 days. Just because you have to let it dry out, boots might take a little more longer. That's
Understood, understood. All right. So, is there anything that you need to say in terms of, you know, to me, somebody who didn't really take care of his helmet, what should I be doing?
Nothing much. Just take off your liners once you feel it's really stinky or something.
Right.
Just rinse it in water. That should be fine.
Okay.
Rinse it in water with a little bit of detergent.
Okay.
So that should be good enough.
And then once in maybe 3 months, I bring it to you guys to do a thorough job.
Yes. That
Sounds
might be a
fair.
better off option. Yeah.
Sounds fair. Okay. And the jacket?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the jacket. That was dusty as hell as well.
There you go.
Oh wow. So you took out all of the liners, the protection and all of that.
Exactly. All of the armor's out. Gave the jacket a wash. Not being too harsh with it. Rinsed it a couple of times. That's it.
Super cool, man. Thanks a ton for this. So yeah, so basically everybody that needs their gear to be washed and be brought back to life in terms of brand new, like this is close to a year old and that helmet is over a year old. And it's just brilliant. I mean, I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but this is like getting a brand new jacket. Makes sense. So I guess that's about it, right?
Yep,
is
that's it.
there anything else? It's very simple to take care of these.
Yes, actually, to be honest, it's just really simple. Take out everything, give it a wash, put it back in.
Right.
Yeah.
Sounds fair.
And for the leathers, what you have to do is just a little bit of condition over here.
Okay.
But make sure not to condition it a lot because it starts degrading.
Oh,
So
all
once
right.
in a while, conditioning it is going to give it a nice shine.
Okay,
Yeah?
sounds fair.
That's about it.
Cool. Thanks, Awaz.
Welcome, man.
So I'm leaving Biking Spirit after getting my helmet and my jacket. I'm hoping that I was able to do justice in terms of, you know, the video that we shot. If we didn't, I'll anyway take pictures or a short walk around video once I'm at home to show how it came out. The Biking Spirit folks, they do a brilliant job. That's where I bought my Scorpion helmet. So those guys have done a really good job with you know, servicing of my helmet and my jacket. I didn't want to wear either because at least one day, it's been raining like crazy in Bangalore, so at least one day. Oh, interesting, hazard lights. Alright, so one day I just wanted to remain clean because it was drizzling for a bit, although the weather looks fine. Bangalore's weather is rather unpredictable, so it normally starts raining at 6 o'clock. But yeah, that's about it. heading back home.